What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. My name's Kenji and welcome back to Kenji's Garage. Right guys, so today's video I'm with a very beautiful Audi TTRS. This is the updated facelift version and is MRC tuned. It's pushing out around about 410 to 430 kilowatts. It hasn't been on the dyno yet, but it's got everything. It's got downpipes, it's got cooler, it's got exhaust, it's got stock turbo, and it's pushing 420 odd kilowatts or so. This car did what, 10.6 seconds on a quarter mile. Yeah, 10.6 seconds on a quarter mile, which is flipping fast. And is one of the cleanest Audi TTRS, I think, at the moment in Cape Town. It doesn't have a wrap or anything on it, it's just clean. Have a look. I'm gonna have a cold start on this car. It sounds loud. It's got a valve system. It's got a right side valve when it starts up, and then it's got a sports mode, and then the left side valve opens up. It's crazy, and that's standard from the factory. Check this out. Is that was that your right or left? That's the left now. Is that your right or your left?
That's the left.
Yo. That's the right. Okay.
That's the right.
I don't know if you guys can hear from the camera, but that's the right now. And open the left. Now that's the left. It's fully open. Yo. That's crazy. That's a cool system, man. That's a cool system. Anyway, the owner is South African Paul Walker. Look at him. Sexy man. Okay, sorry, I'll cut that out. Alright, cool. Let's go have a drive on the car. I must say the interior on this Audi TTRS is amazing. I mean, the seats are really well done with all the stitching and everything. Carbon fiber everywhere. Carbon fiber everywhere. Handles. Oh, Bang Olufsen. That's nice. Check at the. Oh wow! Check at your window. Your air conditioning controls on the system. It's in the down itself. And you got the active display.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nicely spec'd. Oh, did they throw the iPhone XS?
No.
Wow, look at the steering wheel. Looks like the R8.
It is.
Oh, it is?
It is. It's got the
straight out the R8.
Drive
Lovely. Sure. Okay, let's go for a drive. Okay, so for privacy reasons, we call him Paul Walker from now. Mr. Paul.
Yeah.
How long have you been an Audi fan?
I haven't always been an Audi fan. I was a VW fan.
Which is still in the Audi group.
Yeah, but the VW all-wheel drive wasn't as efficient at the time when I wanted to go faster. So from a Sirocco KO4 with full bolt-ons, went over to a TTRS, the HA, the previous one, and that's where they started with Audi.
Wow.
And loved it ever since.
Sure. So this is your, as far as I know, this is your second TTRS.
That's
correct?
right, yeah.
The first few TTRSs,
Yeah.
okay, they were chick cars. I mean, you must have
Not the RS. The TT, yes, it was a hairdresser's car, but the RS was different.
Okay, but I mean, okay, this new TT, Okay, the new facelift TT.
Yes.
Even the TTS, I think it's normal hairdresser's car.
Well, there's the TTS, the previous one. How's that?
Ah, wow. Let's go forward. Let's see if it's a chick.
That's a guy.
Oh, it's a dude.
That's a guy.
That's a dude in a cabrio TTS. That does look like a hairdresser's car.
Yeah, possibly is.
Maybe he's a hairdresser. Oh God, he does. Okay, never mind.
He's a big guy.
Let's not
a
mess
big
with him. What are the stuff that you put on this car that makes this car so powerful? I mean, and is it safe?
Yeah. So besides the power, we've done quite a few suspension upgrades. So for power, we've gone with the MRC Stage 2 Plus software with map switching. So we've got 4 different maps. We've got stock mode, we've got pump fuel mode, we've got race fuel mode, and then we've got kill mode, which is actually just to cut the car off that it won't start. We've got the MRC TCU Stage 2 map.
Jeez.
We've got a Wagner Evo 3 intercooler. There's Multec downpipes, Multec midpipes, which we've ceramic coated inside and out.
Jeez.
We had originally an Armour Speed carbon fiber intake, which we recently changed to an IE 101mm intake.
Yeah.
A lot bigger, still carbon fiber. There's a Stage 2 Cool Boost water main system.
Jeez. Yo, but that's a lot, eh?
Yeah.
That's a lot of work. So, let's try a rolling
Okay.
race, because
The launch is pointless.
yeah, it's pointless. Yeah, I mean the RS3 that I did last 2 weeks ago. You know, the Quattros are amazing.
Yeah,
on
but you did
Audis.
well. That one launch with him, you did
Yeah.
pretty well.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
That was the best rear-wheel drive launch I've seen against a Quattro.
I got some hate on that video, but I
Yeah.
mean, you know, guys, I'm not a pure BMW fan. I come from Audis, but the BM is just really a fantastic car for me, and I'm enjoying it.
Yeah.
But look, Audis do make great cars. Their Quattro systems are just unbeatable.
Yeah. BMW, like you say, has more solid, has more character, because it's rear-wheel drive. Audi, with the new MQB platform, it does everything so right. It's like a surgeon's blade. It's so clinical.
Oh my God! What is the race map?
Yeah.
Yo! Traction off.
Sport mode traction.
Mhm.
Traction off, I'm a bit worried.
Yeah, traction off with the BM is yeah. You might just see the trees.
You ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh, nice.
150.
Damn. My balls tingled a bit. So that's your exhaust.
Button. That's for you to control the radio because you can't see anything.
So where do you change the maps, for example?
That's on.
There's no button on.
No, ignition on, and there's a sequence.
Oh, there's a
between the
sequence.
throttle
Okay, great.
And the brake pedal.
Oh shit!
That's traction.
Yo.
That's traction.
Yeah.
Got someone behind us that thinks they can go.
Oh, what is a focus? There's a focus behind us. Oh, there's a focus behind us. Oh, are you going to bang him to death? all the pops.
Yeah.
Here's the launch. Oh,
140.
Yo. That was a launch control. Yo. I think I just choked on my own split. Jesus, like it, bro. Yo, this is really a fantastic car. You guys have no idea how fast this car actually is. Yo, this car is really fast. Jeez. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add you onto my Kenji's Garage members list. I'm gonna start something like that. And one day we can go out, right?
Yeah.
And we can let all the subscribers, maybe even children and whatnot, you know, we can do charity runs.
Yeah.
And let them experience
That'll be nice.
a supercar, or no, not supercar, sports car. And I'll arrange some supercars as well.
Yeah.
You know, that would be nice for the community.
Yeah. Geez, growing up,
Yeah,
I had no chance of getting into a nice car.
exactly.
So being able to do that for someone will be
And now
nice.
look at you, a billionaire.
I don't have 2 cents to rub together.
yeah, sure. Look at that, Paul Walker. Fantastic. So tell me, what exactly is this for?
That is so that you can delete your rear seat, save weight. You get more exhaust note through without making the car loud on the outside.
Okay.
And the netting is only there so that you can still use your boot, that nothing will slide.
Oh
behind
yeah,
the brake.
okay, I see what you're saying. That's clever.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is carbon fiber, eh?
Carbon fiber 3K weave.
Okay, wow. By the way, he sells this stuff, he manufactures it, he designed it himself.
Yeah.
Fantastic. If you want, I'll put your details down. Give me an email, I'll put your details down. And if you want to order, if you want to see how much it is, how it works, get in contact with him. Okay, so guys, we're not going to do a rolling race today. I know everybody wants to see that. We'll do it another time. It's just a little bit busier on the roads today. Lots of things happening. You know, it's South Africa. Riots, burning of trucks and stuff like that. It's all happening today. So it's not safe on the road. But yeah, I mean, thank you to Paul Walker.
Yeah, thank you.
Fantastic car. It's a real sleeper, I must say. I mean, oh, it's clean, eh? I mean, I can say this is the cleanest Audi TTRS, modded, cleanest, whatever you want to call it. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. Black rims, white car. No number plate in front. Fantastic. I'm too chicken for that. I'm too chicken not to put a number plate on. But everybody tells me take the number plate off. Yeah, no. With the demerit system coming in, I don't know. It's gonna be quite a bit of points.
Yeah.
Guys, okay, so subscribe down, give a comment, tell me what you think about this car, and see you guys soon. Cheers.